Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI, and if you want a high-vis jacket that you're going to be able to wear throughout the different seasons, this one is super versatile. I've had it for about a year now, and I wear it all the time in the winter. I'm always really cold, and this definitely keeps me warm and dry while I'm working. There are so many reflective strips on this jacket, so you're definitely going to be seen, whether day or night. I like that it can be worn so many different ways, so you can take off the sleeves and the hood for warmer seasons and put them back on based on your needs. The Velcro is also really nice. So I got this jacket in a large. It's a big on me, as you can tell, but I liked it a little bit bigger. But the sleeves are still really adjustable, so I can use the Velcro and make them nice and tight. And I really like this when I'm working in the rain and I don't have to worry about the rain getting into my sleeves. So if you're looking for a high-vis jacket that's going to keep you nice and warm in the winter, but it's going to be convertible for the summer, you've got to check this one out. I love it, and that's my point of view.